Alright, here's a review of the Dewalt electric pressure washer. 2400 psi, 1.1 GPM. Right now I have the yellow tip in there. It's a 15 degree. It's supposed to be like, I guess it goes up in like more powerful, so your least pressure, your second to highest pressure, your third to highest, 15. This one here kind of goes in a circle, but I have the 15 in there right now. As you see, there's maybe some stuff on the ground here, so it's pretty quiet, decent pressure. It's got a little holder here, holds the tips up here. That's pretty nice. This has a soap dispenser you can put in there. I put some Fabuloso in there and sprayed all this out. But yeah, it's pretty decent. I was hoping it would be a little more pressure, but I mean, for around the house, homeowner stuff, it's pretty good. So yeah, as you see, there's still kind of soap coming out of this. It's decent though. Quiet. Anyways, it's my take on that. This kind of explains what the nozzles do, the nozzle guide. You have a soap one, 40, 25, 15, and a turbo. The turbo's pretty nice. Kind of goes in a circular motion. Yeah, like you see here. But decent little thing. Comes with a cord. I guess that's maybe 50-foot cord, 25-foot hose here. Out of the box, pretty easy to put together. You just had to snap the bar on there, screw on the hoses. Pretty simple. That's how you turn it off and on right here. So just see, pulling the trigger, and then you flip this switch. That's it.